Hello, everyone, and may God bless us all. You are with Crafts by The Rose, and I am Tina. Please join my channel. Hit the notification bell to the setting of all so you will know each and every time that I have a live or a video for you. Please feel free to read the About page, ask questions, comment, share my channel, give this video or any other I might share with you a thumbs up. Okay, you all, I am sharing the birds that are living right next door to me in the backyard. And they have been there for a few weeks now. But I wanted to give them some time before I shared them. And I know that once they grow up a little bit, that they will be moving on. So I just wanted to keep sharing as much of them as I can before they move along. And I believe it's 4 of them living in that nest. And I know it's a mother and a father, because I seen both of them there taking care of them early one morning. And so I just wanted to share it with you all. It is so beautiful to see nature doing what it's supposed to do. I know that the only reason that they are probably here is because Canada is having the forest fires and they had to move out of their natural habitat. But wow, it's so beautiful to see them. So the parents are hold on.